Most Etsy listings don't have a traffic problem, they have a conversion problem. And in most cases, it comes down to one thing, the visuals. Because if your listings look like everyone else's, customers might scroll right past it. You need to evoke emotion with your listing media, the images, the video, etc. Here's the interesting part. Listing videos can increase click-through rate by up to 300% and boost engagement by over 40%. So naturally, you'd think everyone would be using them, but they're not. And the reason is simple. Creating videos feels complicated, time-consuming, and most people don't even know where to start. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a full Etsy listing, including a video, in just a few minutes. And I'm not gonna do it just once. I'm gonna do it 3 times for 3 best-selling products in the Mother's Day niche that's going to explode soon. We're gonna take real products that are already selling and turn them into full listings with designs, images, and videos. Let's get into it. Step 1 is always validation. We're not guessing what might sell. We're gonna start with what's already working. I'm basically working backwards from my goal, which is to make sales and make money. So let's look at what's already doing that. So I'm here in Etsy, and because I have the Everbee Chrome extension installed, when I look up Mother's Day candles, I can see how many sales the products are making. Number 1, like right away, underneath each listing, you can see that first listing, you're an awesome mom, keep that shit up, 145 sales a month. But the candle right next to it, and you wouldn't know this, is a brand new listing created in the last month, 0 sales. Okay, so they're not created equal. The one next to that's doing 18 sales a month, and then the one behind me here is doing 0 sales a month, and it's another new listing ahead of Mother's Day. So what we're looking for, guys, is clear demand, strong sales, strong reviews, something simple we can build on. With Everbee's Chrome extension, we can do just that. After doing some research, I absolutely love this niche. Mom's last nerve. Oh, look, it's on fire. I think it is perfect in terms of encapsulating the Mother's Day aspect, the humor, which is something I love leaning into as a print-on-demand seller, and the fact that it's on fire ties into the candle aspect, which I just love. It brings it all together. It's doing 15 sales a month. It's doing 22,000 total sales. So that 15 a month, I have a feeling, is probably at like its lowest number right now and is about to jump massively as we enter April and people start to buy their Mother's Day gifts. Absolutely insane. Over 27,000 favorites as well, and this listing's about 4 years old. That is the dream, guys. I mean, this listing alone has probably made at least 100K profit for whoever uploaded it. So let's jump on over to Kittl. Now, instead of starting from scratch, guys, let's use a Kittl template. All right, we're gonna create our own design. I'm gonna click templates on the left-hand side. I'm going to type in candle, right? Keep it simple. It doesn't need to be much more complicated than that. Now look over here, right over my shoulder, it says candle listing. If you hover over it, you can see the different smartboards built into this template. I love that. I'm gonna go ahead and click and hit use template. So this is the benefit of Kittl, guys. They have professional graphic designers building out these templates. The templates used to be just static designs that are easy to customize. Now they are that plus more. We're gonna go ahead, create our design. Then we're gonna create our mockups, and then we can feed them into videos that we can use on our Etsy listings. I mean, if you haven't seen this before, guys, it's absolutely insane. So first, I'm gonna go right here where we can create our mockup, but I'm gonna create the design first. I'm gonna go ahead and click into here, okay? And what I'm gonna do is actually clone that top text. Okay, I gotta double click and select the piece of text that I just duplicated. I'm gonna click into here and I'm gonna say mom's last, well, no, I wanna put mom's on its own line. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to make this bigger. I'm gonna expand it full width, and then I'm gonna center it, which is over here above me. So it's gonna say mom's, keep it centered. Then I'm gonna duplicate it. And where it says last nerve, by the way, the reason I put mom's on one line, and this is just me doing my own spin on the design. We don't need to go and try to copy things pixel for pixel. I wanna do it my way. So I'm gonna put last nerve on its own line. So when someone sees this at a glance, they see mom's because it's Mother's Day. So they need to know at a glance it's for mom. Where it says last nerve, I might even experiment with making that because that's kind of delivering the humor. Might even experiment with making that a different color. Okay, so it's mom's last nerve. And you see how we're kind of spacing it out in terms of how it's easy to read. At least in my mind, that was the goal. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and copy paste this last portion where it says mom's. I'm gonna say, oh, look, it's on fire. And I'm gonna go ahead and actually size this down a little bit because that's how it was in some of those mockups. I think it's okay that that part's not competing for attention by making it smaller and making it about equal width to the last nerve portion. I think all of this is kind of complementary to each other. So we have mom's, then last nerve. Oh, look, it's on fire. I love that as a design. By the way, because we use the Kittl template, we have the ability to go ahead and like change the scent of the candle or the material of the candle, etc. You can actually add your brand right there in the top right corner. The default says scent sorceress. Let's just go ahead and run with this as an example label, but for you and your shop, go ahead and plug it in. This is gonna look high-end, look professional. If you've been on Etsy and seen how some different, maybe not, this one is not like a extremely high-end looking label, but I'm sure we've all looked at candles on Etsy before and seen some of those labels that look really high-end. Well, it doesn't mean that it's actually the product that's high-end. It's just the label. It's the perception that we control as the designer. And here in Kittle, we can do that by just using what's already pre-made. So I absolutely love that. What I'm gonna do now, if I zoom out, is they have the candle mockup already ready for us to go. So I'm gonna go ahead, double click actually, and I'm going to feed in our new design and just click regenerate. I don't need to mess with the prompt or anything like that. I will simply click regenerate, and it's gonna use AI to make our product mockups starting right there instantaneously. So now we've got our brand new mockup with our custom design on it. And because this Kittle template has everything we need for a full Etsy listing, meaning all of our image mockups, all of our video mockups, all we have to do is come over here and add our new design. Okay, so we add that in right there. And then we just need to go in and literally regenerate all of the mockups just like we just did to create this new mockup, except now we're doing all of the mockups optimized for an Etsy listing. So I'm just going in, clicking into the prompts, and then hitting regenerate. And once we have these generated, we can also use those to generate interactive videos. So we've got our new mockups, and here's the part most Etsy sellers skip, and the reason their listings don't convert. We're gonna turn these into videos using AI, literally as simple as it could possibly be. Click the video frame and then hit regenerate. They've already done the hard work for us. So let's check in on our brand new AI videos, starting with this one. I love that. You can see it's not just panning around a static image, but it's actually showing you like a 3D candle by moving where the camera is up higher, and you get the downward view into the candle. This works really well when you're on Etsy because when they hover over the image in search results, it triggers the video. And here's one of a human hand lighting the candle. Love that. And that also goes with our design. Oh, look, it's on fire. And then here is another example of just a candle in a room going with the wind. So this is showing you that we were able to completely build out everything needed to have the best looking Etsy listing in this niche with a single Kittle template. For the next product, let's look at Mother's Day mugs. And I want to illustrate a concept of arbitrage that I use all the time. So I'm using the Everbee product analytics database, and doing my research there, I found this product. Now, this product's generating 0 sales in the past month, but it's generated 461 total sales. So while it's not doing evergreen sales year round, it still has big potential around Mother's Day. So I'm locked in. I love this as a sub niche of Mother's Day. It's mother and daughters. So a mother of multiple daughters. That's the angle that we're working, but it's on a necklace. I still think we'll be able to make sales on mugs though. Hear me out. I think we can use this Kittle template behind me that says, "You can't scare me. I have 2 boys." And I think we can turn this into, I think it's gonna make a really good coffee mug design, honestly. So I've got it open right here. And instead of 2 boys, let's have it say 2 girls. "You can't scare me. I have 2 girls." Then let's change the text. Maybe we don't have to do this, but maybe to yellow, or even, you know, a pink, I think would make a lot of sense. So let's try that. "You can't scare me. I have 2 girls." Change the blue to pink. Now we've got our design. Let's feed this into Kittle's pre-made, already done for us, Etsy mug template. Again, I'm here in the template. Just wanted to show you really quickly how this works. We've already done it once, so I'm gonna speed this part up, but I'm gonna go ahead, remove the existing demo design. Then I'm gonna add our design that we just made right here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and resize it right there. And let's go ahead, click into the mockup. By the way, again, if we wanted to make any changes, we can do so right here before hitting regenerate. For instance, if you wanted to switch it from a white mug to a black mug, you could go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and click regenerate, let it generate this mockup, and then I'm gonna feed it into the additional mockups for our Etsy listing and the video, and I'm gonna show you guys the end result. Quick tip, when you wanna regenerate the new mockups and video using your brand new mockup or design, you can actually hover over and there's a regenerate button. So I can go ahead and just simply click that. And if I like the prompt as it is, this is by far the fastest way to have Kittle generate all new mockups, including your images and your video. And let's give our mockups a look. So we just had to generate these mockups. There's number 1. Love that. It's got the pink background too for the Mother's Day with 2 girls. Here's the close-up of the design. There is somebody holding the mug. Here is a mug with some tea bags in the background. There we go. Coffee pouring into the mug. Mug sitting on some books, which we turned into a video right here. Love that. Person picked it up. Here it is next to a laptop. And then we've got this also turned into a video. Let's check it out. There we go. Somebody picking it up, drinking their coffee during a study session. I think we have one more more video up here just as a quick zoom out, pan out. But how about that? I think that there's a lot of great options for our Etsy listing. And again, the media is what evokes emotion that gets people excited to want to purchase our product. Now, I promised you 3 products and I'm a man of my word. How about a t-shirt? That's my best-selling print-on-demand product. I'm here in Etsy. I was thinking, you know what? How about Mother's Day bootleg design t-shirts? We know Etsy loves personalization, and if you're willing to go to that length, guys, you can actually execute the bootleg designs pretty easy in Kittle. I also, by the way, this design doing 300 sales a month, and it's already done 1,200 plus total sales, absolutely killing it. I found this when I was researching, and because I use Everbee, I can see that this is doing 102 sales a month currently. It's like a vintage style. It's not bootleg, but it did get indexed and shown to me when I was researching the bootleg shirts. So that is something that should be on your radar. It wasn't really on mine, where you can just take a easy like child photo, run it through AI, have it basically put a vintage like black and white old timey filter on it, and then add the year. It says vintage 1996. I think that's kind of the joke, right? Because in 1996 we had cameras that supported color for sure. So I wanted to put that on your radar. But here in Kittle, if you just type in the word bootleg into the search bar for templates, check out how many options there are. I mean, there is just a ton of bootleg templates available here in Kittle that you can work with. All you need is really your biggest issue is going to be getting the images from your customer in theory. So I found this template right here. By default, it says Y2K Street, but I'm going to go ahead, just add some custom text, create the design, and then bring it over to the Kittle t-shirt template that's optimized for Etsy sellers. Shout out to whoever at Kittle came up with the idea of creating these all-in-one, Etsy optimized templates, because man, it's so easy now to create our mockups and not just create the one mockup, but then create, as many mockups as we need. Now Etsy supports more than 10 listing images plus a video. I mean, they're really setting us up for Etsy success. So I've got the videos generating, but let's check out the static images here with our design. So I made it say mom's favorite child and then princess. I just kept the default, mockups, because the intent is that we'll sell it as a personalizable t-shirt design. They'll send us their images, etc. So there we go, hanging on the laundry clips. Here's one against some grass behind it. Here's one against like a yellow linen surface. Here's a close-up showing, I mean, guys, look at this. Tell me that that is not a photograph that was taken of a real print. I don't understand how AI got it this good. That looks so insanely real. I cannot believe that that is possible. Here's a girl wearing the design and another girl wearing the design there in like a, flowery setting. And there's one more girl wearing the design in a flowery setting. And we've turned her into a video, pre-made of course by Kittle. Kittle wrote the prompt. AI does the rest. We simply click twice and have it regenerate with our custom design. I think we have another video up here towards the top. Let's go up there and check that out. We got this here against the flat yellow linen. So it's giving us options. Obviously the video is pretty important. Etsy straight up tells us that the video increases conversion rate, but I think it's no coincidence that they made the video autoplay when you are browsing and you simply hover over a listing in search results. You don't have to actually go click the listing. It just autoplays the video. I actually like this one a lot, kind of floating through the wind. It evokes that, I don't know, some sort of emotion for me where, I don't know, just seeing it out in the wind, clipped to the to the laundry line. I might go with this one. Let me know what you think though below. But guys, that's it. The mockups, the video, it's done. We did 3 full Etsy listings, 3 different product types, by the way, and we did it in minutes. Honestly, it probably took less time than it takes most people that we're competing with selling on Etsy. It probably took less time than it takes them to create a single listing. And this is all made possible because Kittle put these templates together for us. Guys, Kittle is our advantage. While most sellers are stuck creating one listing at a time manually with multiple tools, we're able to do everything in one place. And at the same time, let me know if you agree with this, but I think we produced better visuals, and better visuals lead to more clicks. More clicks lead to more sales. That's literally how it starts. You can't skip any of those steps. That's how you compete in saturated niches. You bring your best and you outperform your competition. So if your Etsy listings are starting to look the same, this is honestly one of the easiest ways to stand out. Just start by adding a listing video like this. Kittle makes it simple because you can create your own design, your mockups, and your video all in one workflow without needing to film anything. And I honestly, even though I knew it was AI, you saw I was tricked. It looked like it was a real photograph. That close-up one of the t-shirt blew my mind. By the way, Kittle's also running a limited one-time offer right now. You can get 2 months for free on their annual plan, plus additional video generation credits depending on the plan you choose. I'll put the link in the description and the pinned comment if you want to try it out. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys at the next video.